Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you a BTC update, and also I'm going to be showing you a way to make your trading portfolio grow exponentially very fast indeed. That's the first thing I'm going to be covering, and then I'm going to be going into the BTC on the short-term time frame, the mid-term time frame, and also the giveaway winner from yesterday's video, and then we're going to be finishing the video with the trade of the day, which is very, very exciting stuff indeed. So without further ado guys, let's get straight into it. I'm going to be showing you a way how you can make your portfolio 10 times bigger. For example, Judith here, she jumped on copy trading here on BitGet 67 days ago, right? 67 days ago, so just over a month, just over 2 months, and she has been trading with around $350. She's made 352% on her original investment, and her total P&L is around $1,400. This is amazing stuff. She's made 350%. Really, really good stuff from Judith. Well done, you're a successful trader. But what I'm getting at here, guys, if you were to go to BitGet and start an account and basically become a copy trader, what you'll do here, you'll actually get assets under management. People will invest on your successful trades. So for example, Judith has made 352%, but her assets under management are $2.3 million. She actually gets 10% of the profit that she makes for her investors. That's people that are copying her. So factually, she has made $820,000 from literally making other people money through investments. So that's a way that you can go, you can start your copy trading account, you can start trading like you're doing now anyway, you can become a copy trader, people will follow you, invest in your strategies, and then you'll make 10% of whatever profit you make them. It's ridiculous. And remember, she only started with $350, guys. So please remember that. And that's quite a lot of traders out there right now. It's just starting out. They don't have a lot of money. So this is a very, very good way to level up your portfolio very, very quickly. If you did want to go to that, guys, jump to the description part of the video and just click this link here, sign up. And then what you do, you'll go to this copy trading section here, and you'll basically apply to be a copy trader. You'll be accepted within probably 48 hours or so. Anyway, enough about that. Let's get into the BTC update for the day. We're going to be starting off on the hourly time frame, guys. You can see what we're working with. We've got a symmetrical triangle chart pattern here. You can see the resistance on the top side. You can see the support on the lower side here. Very, very interesting stuff here, because this basically means it can break either way, guys. It can break either way today. So what are we looking for? We're looking for either a long position or we're looking for a short position. You can see I've already got TPs, take profits, staggered in already, guys, for this potential short position. If Bitcoin is going to dump, I mean, overall, it does look fairly bearish in this horrific bear market. So I probably would expect a bit of a dump here, but we are prepared for either direction. And we are below all major moving averages as well. So it does look bearish. So yeah, if we do dump here, guys, I'm looking for a nice candle body close outside of this zone. First take profit is going to be around 18,966, then 18,913, then 18,864, and then all the way down to the completion of the measure move, which will be a price of around 18,746. In terms of indicators, guys, we are still bearish here in terms of the MACD, looking for a bullish crossover though. So this is an indication for a potential bounce on this trend line here of the support, which we have been testing quite a few times now, okay? We've been testing this quite a few times, so that's definitely an indication that we need to be looking out for there. Bringing up the directional movement index, guys, you can see where we last had our bearish crossover here. It was around 5 o'clock on the 20th of October there, and you can see the ADX is really, really quite low at around 18.5. We know the key areas are 20 and 25 there. So this basically means at the moment, the trend is not that strong, okay? The trend is not that strong, and this is a bearish momentum to the downside trend. So the micro trend right now is indicating, with the MACD as well, that we are indicating for a potential level of support to be formed inside of this symmetrical triangle chart pattern, which we were just discussing there. We are still in the bullish control zone here on the RSI as well, guys. And as you can see, this is going to be a trend line as well for a level of support, which we have been working for. Let me just move this over quickly, which we have been which we have been on for quite a while, right? The support is still being formed there. So definitely something I will be looking out for there. If we do dump down very slightly, please be aware for a potential trap here, because all these indicators in terms of the shorter term time frame are saying we're going to have a little bit of a short-term move to the upside, right? And this will probably be up to around 19,119 or either the 55 EMA at 19,156. We could come up test 19.2. That's absolutely fine too. But we got both 200 EMA and 200 SMA there for resistance. That's enough on the short term, guys. That's sort of what I'm looking for there. Let's move to the midterm. And as you can see for the midterm time frame, we are looking at this giant, I'm talking humongous falling wedge scenario, guys. It's massive. You can see the support on the lower side here, which we're playing with, and also the resistance on the top side here. This is going to be around a 3.2% move to the upside there. Pretty interesting stuff if we are going to see a break to the upside. And guys, you know falling wedges. They tend to usually break up, okay? They tend to usually break up. So 3.2% is not out of the question. You can see the volume weighted ATR band is looking pretty nice for a lineup here with the completion of the measure move. And if it doesn't, we're going to be using that for a lovely take profit for a long position. In terms of a price target for that, guys, it's going to be around $20,000 there. If Bitcoin is going to get to that level, we will be clearing the 200 EMA. And we know how strong this level of support is. So it is pretty juicy, if I may say, for a lovely, lovely long position if this chart pattern is going to play out to our advantage. If it's not, we're looking for a short, baby. We're looking for a lovely little short coming through from here because there's still money on the table to be taken. It is still in a downtrend. We are below a major moving averages here on the shorter term time frame. It can go either way. It's absolutely fine. We know how to trade these markets and make money no matter what is happening. In terms of the volume, guys, volume is trending down as well, so there is a breakout scenario, which is looking pretty good stuff indeed. You can see volume weighted ATR band for a take profits to the short side will be around 18,600 to be looking out for there as well. In terms of the DMI, the Directional Movement Index, guys, we did have a bearish crossover with the ADX actually above 25. So more on the macro side of things, not on the real short term. I'd say that it is still looking pretty strong for a potential downtrend here, guys. So just be aware. Just be aware because we are on a very strong level of support. If this does break, I will be lapping up a short and we'll be making exponential gains very fast indeed. That's going to be it for Bitcoin on the midterm time frame. Let's move across to my key indicators and see what they're saying and see how we can interpret the price of Bitcoin from them, right? You can see here on the 15-minute candle, guys, we are seeing white candles here. When the candles are white, it does indicate a sideways market. So this right now on the short term, on the micro, we are seeing sideways action coming through. When we see sideways action, like so, white candles, we usually see some sort of move to either the upside or the downside after that, right? So please be aware for that, and just take into account right now that we are below the 200 EMA, which is obviously bearish. We are below, we're testing the price action channel. We are below the MTF as well on the premium scalp package. So yeah, a couple of things basically saying that we are still bearish here, guys. So yeah, overall I would say it's looking fairly bearish. Let's move on to the premium scalp. Let's move on to the ultra swing package, guys. We did have a massive sell signal coming through at around 19.2. Still riding that bad boy down, still pretty good. Just referencing yesterday's video, we were currently sat up around that sort of area, and we did say the likelihood of us coming down and testing this horizontal is very likely around 90k. But after that, I said, look, we're probably going to propel up from there because you can see the support from this level literally in this range between 19.2 and 19k. It's literally pretty solid. It's pretty strong, okay? So we may find support here. If we don't, we'll break it. And the areas that I'm looking for here is going to be 18.9, it is going to be 18.8, and even 18.5, and maybe even all the way down to 18.1 if we're lucky, right? If we're lucky, because we want to make money here, guys, because obviously we are short here on the ultra package. But yeah, moving on to yesterday's giveaway winner. Yesterday's giveaway winner is going to be Daniel, because Daniel liked the video and he commented here in the comment section. As you can see, I commented on the video. Daniel, oh, you can't see that. Now you can. Daniel, you have won the giveaway. You have won access to my indicators for 1 week, so please drop me a message on Telegram, Daniel, and I will get back to you and get you added to the indicators. And guys, if you want to enter the giveaway for today's video, make sure you like the video, make sure you drop a comment on your opinion on Bitcoin, on the video, on everything about crypto right now. Just drop your opinion, let me know in the comment section what you're thinking, and you'll be entered straight into the giveaway, and you might basically win it on Monday. Good stuff. Moving on to the trade of the day, guys. The trade of the day that I'm looking out for there is going to be, it's going to be a bit of XRP, guys, and this is one that you really need to get involved with quickly if you are going to get involved with. Obviously, it's not financial advice, guys, so please go do your own research, because we've got 34 minutes away to see this candle body close. If we see this candle body close below this horizontal around 138.5, 138.9, that sort of area, I would expect to move to the downside. The reasoning for this is, guys, it's an upward sloping parallel channel. Upward sloping parallel channels, they tend to usually break down, and this is not a small position. It's 5.94% to the downside in terms of this measure move, guys. You can see my TPs there. Very, very good stuff. Staggering those take profits. Once we hit our first take profit, we moved off stop loss to our entry point. Look how jagged these moving averages are. They're pushing us down. It's very bearish here for Monero. I would expect a nice move to the downside. And this is going to be, if this does come in, it's going to be the 10th successful trade in a row. The 10th in a row, guys. Amazing stuff. So well done to, I see everyone in the Telegram group acting on these trades and really getting involved. So well done to you guys for doing your own research and taking the initiative to actually make money here. Good stuff. If this doesn't work out, guys, we've always got a 3.43% to the upside, but that's going to be the trade of the day today for XMR. A bit of that. In terms of yesterday, guys, XRP is still valid, right? It is still valid. You could have got in and you could have made like 1.6%. For me, personally, I didn't, because it was just a bit too good to be true. With this insane dump to the downside, we'd already seen pretty much the whole measure move get completed, and then we had a hammer candle to the upside. So we didn't really get the opening that we wanted here in terms of a candle body close. But if you did get in, well done, good stuff. I see some people in the Telegram group did, but initially I was going for the move to the upside because it is a falling parallel channel, and it's a lovely clean measure move of around 3.75%. So that's sort of what I'm looking for there for the future, guys. And if this does come in, it is going to be 11 trades in a row. Pretty amazing stuff, right? But yeah, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I will be back for some short updates, because I'm doing short video updates now on YouTube. So make sure you watch out for them. Very exciting stuff. Really enjoying them, actually. So yeah, look out for them, guys. But for now, it's going to be peace out from me. And make sure you go and sign up to Bybit, guys. Make sure you make sure you sign up to BitGet or Bybit, whichever one you want to try trade on. But for copy trading, it is going to be BitGet. But for now, trade safe out there, guys. It's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.